Hi, I'm Ziba from Learnercircle. I have an exciting news to share with you guys. Tell me one thing, how does it feel to wear the dress you design and do a ramp walk in that? So, the Learnercircle's Dubai itself 24, there is an event called Design and Dazzle for kids. So, to understand the process, watch this video till the end.
Never let go of me.
Guess what? Your creation will come to life with PinkCows, the leading Indian brand loved by many Indians. So imagine your child walking in their own creation and just making their dreams come true. So join us on Dubai Utsav 24 and let's make the fashion dreams come true. We'll be waiting for you. What? You still haven't registered? Go register fast. Bye.